The skin and see. It is totally a dead skin. You will not feel any pain there. Are you feeling any pain there? Absolutely, it is a dead skin. You will not feel any pain. Are you feeling any pain? Perfectly dead skin. 100% dead skin. You will not feel any kind of prick or punch at this portion. It is becoming perfectly numb and you will not feel any kind of prick or punch in that portion. Feel that your hand is totally numb and it is totally dead skin you are having there. You will not feel any prick at this point. Perfect. Feeling great. No sense here. Absolutely. You can check yourself once again. Pinch and see. You will not feel any sense there. Punch it, prick, just pull the skin and see. Pinch it and see. You will not feel any pain there. No sense at all. Perfect. But in this hand you will feel the sense. You will find, yes? Wonderful. Just focus. Just focus. You will not feel any pain there and no blood flow there. Nothing. It is a dead skin for you. As I count 3, 2, 1, this becomes 100% a dead skin and you will not feel any prick or pain there. It is perfectly locked. You are feeling great, going great, 100% relaxed, no pain in that portion. You will not feel any blood flow there. You will not feel any pinch there. You are feeling 100% positively charged with the mind and body. Slowly breathe in and breathe out, very slowly. Take a deep breath in and out, very slowly. You can rest your palm on the lap. No pain, nothing at all. Even now, if you open your eyes and see what is there on your skin on the palm, you will not be afraid of it. You feel very great. You will be very smiley looking at your own palm. Oh, what is that, madam? What is that? Dhanashri? Hey, lovely, yeah? Wonderful. No pain at all, nothing. And the funniest part is, you will hold this way. Now use your right hand to slightly pull it out. And no pain, nothing. You can do it yourself. You are very comfortable. Yes, absolutely comfortable. Just take out the needle. You are 100% comfortable, madam. Just pull it off. Just pull it off. That's it. You are feeling great, going great, no pain at all, nothing. Just keep this in your pocket, I tell you. But your right hand is having sense. You will feel the pinch, yes? But left hand there is no feel at all. Absolutely no problem. Okay? Wonderful. Come on, clap for Dhanashri. Nothing to worry.